Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper crisper drawer in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper crisper drawer. The upper crisper drawer is located inside the fresh food section. The crisper drawer is used for storing veggies, fruits, and other eatables. The main reason to replace the upper crisper drawer is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get it apart, we need to open the door. To remove the old crisper drawer, we need to pull it out, then lift it up and remove it. This is the old crisper drawer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we're going to install this new crisper drawer. Place that the rear end on the rail here, on the rollers. And slide it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.